Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about HTML list. First of all, you have to look at the definition of HTML list. HTML list can be defined as a way to present information in a well form as of listing and information. That's a simple definition of HTML list. HTML list can be defined as a way of listing and information, and can also go for the first definition, a way to present the information in a well form and semantic way. So that's the definition of HTML list. But I want you to know that we have three types of list: the ordered list, the unordered list, and the description list. But we'll be talking about the ordered list in this tutorial. In our next two tutorials, we'll be talking about the ordered list and the description list. So quickly, let's first of all go to our code. Before I write my code, I want you to know that you have to know the definition of ordered list. Ordered list is used to create a list of related items in a specific order. What are those items? Those items are the information, are the text. So let me come again. Ordered list can be used to create a list of information or related items in a specific order, in an orderly manner, in an orderly ordered, in a accordingly ordered, in a descending or ascending order. That is the definition of ordered list. But I want you to know that you need two tags to write the ordered list. You need the OL tag and the LI tag. But first of all, let's put our OL tag, because our LI tag will be our OL tag. But you have to know the definition of OL, the full meaning of OL tag. OL tag stands for ordered list. Ordered list. So after that, you have to put the LI tag, and you can put as much as possible LI tag in your OL tag. And the OL tag stands for list item. List item. The OL tag stands for list item. So first of all, I'm just gonna write Vicsad. So come back here, save it, and refresh it. Can you see? I didn't put one, but automatically, because that's the function of the code, it numbered the ordered list as 1. Can you see it? So after that, I said we can have as much as possible list item in our ordered list. So I'm just gonna write Vicsad, and I'll come back here right there. Oops. So that's just bear with me. So I'm just gonna write show Tolu. So come back here. Now I want you to be there to see the output of this code. It will be numbered accordingly. You can see it. Let me just write 3 more, or let me copy and paste 3 more to make it 10. So come back here, save it, and then refresh it. Hope you are following me, and if you don't really get begging, you can just forward this video back and watch it again. So you can see that it's numbered in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you can change the way it's numbered to another type by putting the type attributes. Now, so this type attributes collect different types of value. First of all, it collects this value, which is the default. It will be numbered in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another value, which is capital letter A. It will be numbered in uppercase alphabet A, B, C to the particular one it has to stop. And that's another attribute called the small letter A, or the lowercase a. It will be numbered in lowercase alphabet. And we have another one called the capital letter I, or the uppercase I. It will be numbered in Roman numerals, or Roman numbers. Sorry, I don't really get the pronunciation. Roman numbers, uppercase, and you can also be putting the lowercase I, or the small letter I, which will be numbered in Roman numbers, lowercase. So first of all, let's try the default. Oops. this default. Come back here, save it, and then refresh it. You can see it's the default. So let's try the next one. You can see the way it is numbered: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So you can also number it in small Ctrl S, small case. You can see it. I can also give it a small I, Ctrl S. I hope you can see it. And if this video is really too fast, I'm sorry, you can just forward it back. Just bear with me. Capital letter I. Oops. Capital letter I. I'll just come back here and save it. You can get the way it's working, and if you don't really get, I'm begging you, just forward it back. So the last attribute I'll be talking about in this tutorial is the start attribute. What's the function of the start attribute? First of all, before I explain it, let me just put this back to the default. Okay, now what's the function of the start attribute? The start attribute makes you to number a listed information in from any starting number. Automatically when you just put your OL tag and your LI tag, normally it will be numbered from 1 to 10, or from 1 to the number out to stop, like from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what is the function of the start tag? The start tag can make this listed information or this listed item to be numbered starting from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like that. So if you don't really get, just watch the code. You can type it, but because I'm using Visual Studio Code, it's making my code really fast by bringing out guessing, or how can I just put it, but just bear with me. So I put 10 there, save it, and then refresh it. Can you see it's numbered from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What if I try to put 1000? It's possible. So save it and then refresh it. Can you see the way it is numbered? So that's the function of the title, and that is the end of this tutorial that I'll be talking about ordered list. So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. Bye.